Welcome to Drona Institute of Ayurvedic Studies Anveshana series, a question answer discussion series on previous year NTET Ayurveda question paper 2024. Question number 3. Which of the following is not related to psychological attribute of intelligence? Option 1, reasoning. Option 2, judging. Option 3, understanding. Option 4, feeling. The correct answer is option 4, feeling. The first three options, judging, understanding, and reasoning, are psychological attributes of intelligence. And the last one, feeling, is emotional intelligence. And Alfred Binet has defined intelligence as the ability to judge, understand, and reasoning well. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion, use of ICT makes teaching, learning, and assessment easy and innovative. Reason, ICT includes both hardware and software technologies. In the light of above statements, choose the appropriate answer from the options given below. Option 1, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option 2, both A and R are correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option 3, A is correct but R is not correct. Option 4, A is not correct but R is correct. The correct answer is option 2, both A and R are correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. The assertion is use of ICT makes teaching and learning and assessment easy and innovative, which is correct. The reason is ICT includes both hardware and software technologies. It is also correct, but both are not related. So, both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. And ICT is information and communication technology. It includes all categories of technology used for gathering, storing, transmitting, retrieving, or processing of information. And it includes both hardware and software devices. Hardware refers to the physical elements, and software means applications, scripts, and programs that runs on a device. And ICT includes microelectronics, printed circuit boards, computing systems, softwares, signal processors, mobile telephony, satellite communications, and networks. Arrange the following in the proper sequence of test preparation. A. Defining the purpose of the test. B. Finalizing the test. C. Writing the learning outcomes. D. Writing the test item. E. Try out the items. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1, A, B, C, D, E. Option 2, A, C, D, B, E. Option 3, A, C, D, E, B. Option 4, E, D, C, B, A. The correct answer is option 3, A, C, D, E, B. Test refers to tool or technique or method that is intended to measure students' knowledge or ability to complete a particular task, and testing can be considered as a form of assessment. And the characteristic of a good test are reliability, which is a measure of degree of repeatability of the test, utility, cost and time effectiveness of the test, and validity, the degree to which tests measure what it is intended to measure. And there are four types of tests. The first one is placement test, which helps the teachers to place a student in a particular level or curriculum or school. And diagnostic test, which helps teachers and learners to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Proficiency tests measure a learner's level of language, and achievement test, which is intended to measure the skills and knowledge learned after instruction. And the proper sequence of test preparation are defining the purpose of the test, writing the learning outcomes, writing the test item, try out the item, and finalizing the test. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion, the most striking innovation in the field of technology is the use of computers. Reason, the main objective of computer-assisted instructions is to provide the needed flexibility for individualizing the education process. In the light of above statements, choose the appropriate answer from the options given below. Option 1, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option 2, both A and R are correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option 3, A is correct but R is not correct. Option 4, A is not correct but R is correct. The correct answer is 1. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Here the assertion is the most striking innovation in the field of technology is the use of computers, which is correct. The reason is the main objective of computer-assisted instruction is to provide the needed flexibility for individualizing the education process, which is also correct. And both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Hence, the option 1 is correct. Which of the following is not a benefit of online teaching platforms? Option 1, self-paced learning. Option 2, access to global learning communities. Option 3, physical interaction with peers and teachers. Option 4, access to diverse learning resources. The correct answer is option 3, physical interaction with peers and teachers. An online teaching learning platform is a space or portal filled with educational content and live instruction on particular subject or many different topics. And the online teaching platforms are Udemy, Coursera, and Academy, Vedantu, Byju's, Simplilearn, edX, etc. And the benefits of online teaching platforms are self-paced learning, which allows flexibility, teaches learners time management skills, shows self-motivation, improves communication and collaboration, helps people develop a global perspective, builds critical thinking skills, guides technical skill development, lowers the cost, which is cost effective, provides access to resources and creative learning opportunities, increase flexibility of location, networking opportunities and comfortable learning environment, improved communication, increased course variety, convenient working hours, and personalized education. Thank you.